Welcome to a video, folks. I've got asked a lot of times, have I ever bit my finger at a challenge? Well, this is the challenge, the one and only out of all the challenges I've done so far. To date will be 538 challenges. This is the only one, like number 272. What this is, I'm doing the 80 ounce. I thought it was 72 ounce, but doing an 80 ounce steak. You get a salad, I think it's a dinner roll with it, and you get the choice of mashed potatoes and fries. I'm gonna go ahead and do fries so I can show them how to do a fry ball here. I think you get 45 minutes to eat it. If not, I think you owe them like $65, but if you do, you get the meal for free. I think you get a t-shirt and you get your name, a picture on the wall of fame. They say about 1%. That's a rough estimate, 1% finishes this. So I'm gonna start this timer in a minute, and I don't even know where to start. She said, okay. First bite or first cut?
First bite.
First bite. Okay, guys, I'm gonna dig into this. And it might be cavemanish here in a minute, cavemanish, but this is freaking cooked perfect. Last thing. Food corn there, look at that. Oh man. If you get it any more than that, you killed it twice. It already died once, people. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you heard them earlier, but the owner said they have a burger challenge here that nobody's ever beat before. But I picked to do the steak because I am really kind of tired of burger and fry challenges, so I did the steak instead. But the next trip through, I told them guaranteed that I will be there. For the steak challenge, you have to give them like a 2 to 3 day notice in advance. Guys, you are about to see something that has never happened in 271 challenges. This is number 272, so mark this down. First time. Oh, first time I bit my finger on the challenge. Oh. First time.
How do you know?
Out of 270 challenges, that's the first time I bit my finger. It was so good. Hope I remember to zoom in on that.
You'll always remember this one.
754-ish. Whatever.
752.
Okay, 752. 752-ish, 754-ish, in between there. Oh, it was good. That was better than the Big Texan. That was a good. I bit my finger, it was so good.